Hello po, good afternoon. I'm Wena. I'm one of the tour guide here in Masayo Parian sa Sugbo. So by the way, we are currently nasa labas tayo ng museum. So as you can see, may makikita kayong mga metals because this museum, 1960s, originally, binili ito for the purpose po sa kanilang business. This is actually owned by the C family. 1960s po, nabili nila ito without knowing na ito pala ay may historical value. Tapos, yung anak ng may-ari, until such time, nag-aral sa Ateneo de Manila at doon niya na nalaman na itong itong bodega pala or their property pala here in Cebu is the Jesuit House in the Philippines. So, ito na. So, welcome to the 1730 Jesuit House.